everyone, welcome to my channel. Here's a beautiful way to make use of your specialty roses, a DIY rose petal sugar scrub and organic skin polish. It could be the best way to use your leftover roses, or maybe this DIY could be a good excuse for yourself to go get a bunch of roses and pamper yourself. Why not? You deserve it. Being a rich source of vitamin C, the rose petals works as an excellent sunblock. They have the cooling properties that can soothe your skin and protect the outer layer of your skin from sun damage. Pick up 2 to 3 organic roses and continue to unpetal them to make 1 cup of rose petals ready. Make sure to go ahead with the organic ones, as the non-organic roses are usually treated with chemicals and pesticides, and that is definitely not at all an ingredient you may want to use for your skin. Now we have our first ingredient, 1 cup of rose petals, ready. Next, go ahead and have some fun shredding these rose petals so as to ease the blending process. The best part of the scrub is that it reduces the appearance of the skin imperfections and promotes an even skin tone and healthy complexion. This scrub can be used for getting a smooth, flawless glowing skin. The winter months can leave our skin feeling dull and dry. This is hence a great way to moisturize your skin and practice a little bit of self-care. Take 1 cup of sugar. You may also use brown or cane sugar. Just make sure they are granulated and not powdered. Next, take half a cup of coconut oil. You may also use grapeseed oil or olive oil. I did microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds so as to ease with the blender. And that's all you need. 1 cup of rose petal, 1 cup of sugar, half cup of oil, and a blender can give yourself this wonderful scrub. Go ahead and blend them all into a thick, liquidy consistency. Give a break and make sure to turn off the blender and open the jar to check the mixture. There is definitely an oily finish to the scrub, so if you do not want to leave the oil onto your skin for a deeper moisturizing, I recommend a quick shower once over with your body wash afterwards to feel your skin squeaky clean. And that's it. The combination of rose and coconut smells incredible. I recommend that you store it in a glass jar so that it stays fresh and goes good for a month long. Rub the scrub gently onto your skin, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then wash it with lukewarm water. The best part is that with this DIY scrub, you can take your time and give yourself frequent spa days at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY rose sugar scrub. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any updates from my channel. Make sure to hit the like and share buttons. Thank you.